Hey guys, just giving you a little bit of further instruction on the HR diagram assignment. The first thing I just want to point out to you is that the data that you will be graphing is all the way down at the bottom. Okay, and the data will look something. Maybe it'll be like A for the spectral class. And then maybe it'll be like plus 3.1 for the absolute magnitude. Something like that. On the HR diagram that I gave you the blank of, I don't like this one as much as the one that we would have used in class. But you basically have two axes, and this is mess that up. This is your spectral class down here, and it has O, B, A, F, G, K, M across the bottom, and then it has the lines like this. Okay, and then it's got lighter lines in between. Basically, the way you need to look at this is, so if you have A4, you need to think of this line as being A0. Okay, and then break this down into equal parts from there. So this is the A0 line, this is the F0 line, and each one of these lines is another decimal. So this would be A.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.6, 8.7, 8.8, 8.9, F0. So think of it as like being like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, only it's like A.0, A.2. So A4 would be just before the halfway point over here. So we'll say, and I'll just throw a scale on here, we'll say this is 0, and notice that the positive numbers actually go down, and we'll say this is plus 5. So if we were going to graph A4 3.1, A4 is going to be on this line, and let me just put some lines there, and 3.1 would be like about here. We'll say, I didn't do that, great. And then just put a dot there. Okay, so that's how to do this. We'll do another one. We'll say O7 -2. Well, 0.5 would be here, so 0.7 would be here, so that would come up here, and -2 would be like up there. So that would be like there. Okay, so that's how you're going to do this. You can really do this however you want, as far as like the logistics of how to actually do the assignment. You can print out the HR diagram that I gave you. You can use like Paint or something like that to actually, put the dots on there digitally. However you want to do it, it's totally fine. Honestly, I think printing it would probably be the easiest thing, but I understand that not everybody has availability to print these things out today. So whatever method you choose to work with to get the dots on there is totally fine by me. All right, so good luck with this. You basically have to do the two data tables. So two data tables which I think will give you roughly 50 points, and then answer the questions. Okay. I believe you only really have 2 questions to answer, because I think 2 of the questions are just plotting the points and then identifying. When it comes to identifying, totally fine to look online, and when it says, okay, identify a main sequence, identify the red giants, look up somewhere online or on the screencast that I gave you for the float. Well, actually, you guys wouldn't have done that. Okay, never mind. Look it up online. You will be having a screencast of HR diagram with the life cycle of the star. But so, and then you'll just come on here and say, okay, these are those guys and these are these guys. So that's what it means when it says to identify them on there. Okay, good luck.